This could be the car for you. The 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The smooth-riding Silverado 1500 delivers rugged strength, a quiet and spacious cabin, agile handling, and technology that keeps you connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, seat memory, trip computer, power windows. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.